Fix your psychology, fix your trades. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T and I'm an artist trading Forex to fund my music, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does wonders for the channel. Thank you. You're far too kind. Now in this short video today, I'm talking about psychology and why for me, I believe that psychology is the most important thing when it comes to trading. And here's why. Listen, when it comes to strategies, techniques, theories, you can literally find any strategy online for free right now. Like you can find whatever strategy you want to trade, there are comprehensive videos online to help you, right? There's nothing in the way of knowledge that most people do not have when it comes to Forex trading, and majority of traders are still not profitable. So it is not a question of information, it's a question of the mind, because I'm understanding that 10 people can be using the same strategy, the same account size, right? The same everything, but at the end of the day, none of them will be profitable, and that is because there is something about the human mind. A strategy might work, but you might not just have the patience to let it work. That's why I say it comes to boils down to psychology. For example, now a lot of people will say they do not believe in psychology. That's okay that they believe in strategy and all that. Where does strategy come from? It comes from your mind. Everything you need to succeed as a trader comes from the mind. Patience, it comes from your mind. Consistency, it comes from the mind. Whatever strategy you want to talk about, it has to come from your mind. Your mind is going to build strategy first. You're going to understand strategy is going to work before you not even follow it. So the reason why I believe a lot of traders are not profitable yet is not because there's any secret source somewhere. I personally believe it is because of the fact that their psychologies have not been right. I believe the day your psychology is right. Sorry guys, as you can see, the power went out. So natural light right now. Yeah, I'm in Africa, Nigeria, so we have power cuts. It's normal. Anyway guys, just to let you know that your psychology is the most important thing, and I believe once you're able to fix that, it will help take your trades to the next level. Anyway, if you found this video useful, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. So I come here again for the next video. Peace out. God bless you.